Okay, this is going to be a video about the next two color schemes that we've been studying. So again, very simple color wheel: red, yellow, blue. Between red and blue go violet, yellow and blue make green, yellow and red make orange. So we've already done monochromatic. That's one color. We've already done complementary. It's two colors opposite on the color wheel. What we're ready for next is analogous. Kind of a weird word, but most kids really like this one. Three colors beside each other on the color wheel. So let's say blue is your favorite color, you want to use blue. Your choices here are blue, green, and violet. That would be one option here. I'll use a different pen here. Blue, green, violet. But if you'd like to use blue, you could also use blue, violet, red. You could use blue, green, yellow, because those go together. Or you could just keep going. You could use green, yellow, orange. You could use yellow, orange, red. You could use orange, red, violet. Those are all the choices that you have. Remember, you can always add the neutrals to any color scheme without changing the color scheme. So black, white, and gray. You also can use any tints, which is any color plus white, to lighten the color, or shades in your color scheme. Color plus black. We've went over those before. So for my analogous color scheme, maybe I would want to use yellow. I'm going to use orange. And I could use red, or I could use green, either one. I'm going to go with green this time. I could also add a black in there for some contrast. And maybe I want to do a light green as well. That is one example of an analogous color scheme. If you don't know if the colors that you've chosen are analogous, come to the teacher and ask them, hey, are these three colors workable for analogous? And she'll help let you know whether those three colors are found beside each other on the color wheel. It's just a good idea to check. Okay, the last one we want to talk about is triadic. A triadic color scheme are three colors that form a perfect triangle on the color wheel. So this one's pretty simple because there's really only two choices on this simple of a color wheel. Remember, there are colors that are called tertiary colors that come in between these, and that makes it a little bit different, but we're keeping it simple because we're keeping it simple with just the primary and secondary colors. The only three color choices, or the two color choices that you have of three colors that form a perfect triangle on the color wheel are either the primary colors, which are red, yellow, blue, the first three that I put on here, red, yellow, blue, or you could choose orange, violet, and green, and that's your second choice. So for this one, either choose this or this. Can you add black and gray? Yes, absolutely. Could you add pink to this one? Yes, because pink is a tint of red. But for the most part, these are your two choices. So you will do your analogous one first, and then your triadic one.